Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a photo with a distinct subject and enough resolution. You need detail for portrait framing. Open it and immediately duplicate the layer so you never lose the original. Next, change the crop tool to a portrait ratio, for example 4:5, then crop tightly to the face and upper torso. This focuses attention and improves composition. Once done, make sure the subject's eyes sit near the upper third to guide the viewer's gaze. This small change makes a big visual difference. Now you refine details, retouch skin using spot healing, and if needed, frequency separation to keep natural texture. You should dodge and burn subtly to restore depth, brighten eyes, and slightly darken contours to sculpt the face. While doing this, mask the subject and either replace or soften the background. A gentle Gaussian blur isolates the portrait and mimics shallow depth of field. Make sure transitions stay smooth so you don't create halos. This preserves realism while directing attention to the subject. Finish by color grading. Add a subtle S-curve for punch, adjust white balance, and use split toning to unify mood. This helps skin tones and background read correctly. If you need larger prints, upscale with an AI tool or use careful bicubic resampling, then apply Smart Sharpen to recover detail. Export at 300 dpi for print or 72 dpi for web. Save a layered PSD or TIFF for future edits. If colors shift, check your color profile and softproof. That single step often fixes unexpected hue changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.